Hi folks, Stacy Cobb here, and yep, you guessed it, I have another junk journal, but this one's really special. It's small. This is approximately 3 inches by 3 inches. So the insides are a little bit smaller than that. As you can see, we've got a little bit of aged lace. This lace, I kid you not, was stark white when I started. And of course I aged the material here on the outside. I'm going to tie this. I've given this a title on the side. It is The Good Witch's Grimoire. I just thought it was funny. So anyway, here's the flip through. A book plate, The Good Witch's Grimoire, a pocket reference for field work. That means you can put your notes in it. And we just have some little stamps. A little stamp on a page here that's been ripped. More stamps. I wrote a recipe for magical treats, and it's on see-through paper, so it's a little harder to read. But actually, if you can decipher this and read the recipe, they're really good. This is a recipe I make a lot. And the reason they're called magical treats is because they disappear as if by magic. Just pages for notes for your grimoire. This is a relief for poison ivy. Mix baking soda with white vinegar into a paste and then apply. Nothing on the back. Little stamps that I colored. Just a little piece of paper with a little stamp on it. A little pocket. And this is a little pull out, so you got extra writing room. Try tea made of rose hips for a gentle midwinter rejuvenative. I just thought that was kind of fun. More stamps. Little pocket with a pull. You're so lucky. And your lucky number is 7. I don't know why. Just the number of chains. I had a snafu with something I was doing here, and it pulled part of my page apart, and I thought, hey, that looks great. I'll just leave it alone. Here's another one. This is for your love potion, and you write the potion of your choice on your own piece of paper here. And that's basically it. And it says this mini journal was created by Stacy-Sue Cobb in June of 2020. And that's the end. Thank you for looking at this. If you want to see more of my videos, I have a new one up every Friday. Please, I would appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and the notifications. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.